Ahead of Donald Trump's term in 2025, two cryptocurrencies appear to be among the talks of crypto circles, Shiba Inu, SHIB, and the trailblazing coin JetBolt, JBolt. Market watchers and meme-coin enthusiasts closely monitor SHIB's price action, leading to Trump's return to the White House in January 2025 for a potential rally. After Shiba Inu failed to return to its key support level of around $0.00000283, can SHIB recover and soar 10x under a pro-crypto Trump administration? Meanwhile, next-gen altcoin JetBolt has continued blazing since it entered the market via pre-sale. JetBolt has sold over 200 million tokens since its pre-sale launched. Can JetBolt reach new heights in its ongoing pre-sale? And can Shiba Inu achieve its ambitious price target? Let's dive in. Shiba Inu price prediction: can SHIB 10x with Trump's pro-crypto stance? Shiba Inu, SHIB, has continued to dip in this week's trading session. But with less than a month left before Trump sits in the presidential office, can a pro-crypto political climate provide the boost Shiba Inu needs? Leading up to the election in November 2024, Trump has obviously become crypto-oriented despite previously being skeptical about crypto assets. Trump's election victory is also one of the main catalysts that propelled many cryptocurrencies, including meme coins, to soar in value over the past month. Trump's official comeback at the White House in January 2025 could have a potential impact on the price of some tokens. However, Shiba Inu's 10x climb from its current level of $0.00002569 seems far-fetched. According to Arman Shirinyan's analysis published on U.Today, Shiba Inu needs to reclaim the $0.00002730 level first before a bullish scenario takes shape. Aside from the current downward trend, other challenges remain for Shiba Inu. SHIB's total circulating supply exceeds 589 trillion tokens, casting further doubt on reaching 10x without major supply-side reductions. Why is the new altcoin JBolt, gaining massive whale traction? While Shiba Inu fights to surpass its current level and extend its rally under the Trump administration in 2025, JBolt is making an explosive entrance into the market. Since its pre-sale debut, JetBolt has sold over 200 million tokens, signifying the massive attention this young pre-sale coin is gaining from blockchain whales and crypto buyers. The buzz isn't just hype or about the astronomical pre-sale figures. JetBolt appears to be a compelling addition to diversify one's 2025 portfolio because of its exciting features and pre-sale perks. One of JetBolt's most striking features is its zero-gas technology, which enables users to carry out hassle-free and gasless transactions. JetBolt's zero-gas tech could also allow developers to create a wide range of blockchain applications, from non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and sociality to games and more. Aside from gas-free blockchain transactions, JetBolt is drawing in early token buyers because of its distinctive and intuitive crypto staking platform. It's not only easy to use, but stakers can also earn bonus rewards when they connect with friends on the platform. With its pre-sale underway, large buyers continue to scoop up JBolt tokens. In addition to game-changing features, JetBolt offers early movers exclusive advantages during the pre-sale. Early acquisition of tokens gives purchasers the opportunity to enjoy up to 25% extra tokens when they avail themselves of alpha boxes or tokens in batches, injecting a sense of urgency and excitement into accumulating JBolt tokens early. Conclusion: Shiba Inu targets a 10x rally under Trump's term as JetBolt skyrockets. Shiba Inu eyes a 10x rally ride under a Trump-fueled pro-crypto wave. Yet, SHIB's road is fraught with challenges, from an inflated supply of tokens to the unpredictable nature of the market. Meanwhile, JetBall's meteoric pre-sale achievement paints a picture of untapped potential. Beyond its stellar pre-sale figures, JetBall offers features like zero-gas technology and an innovative crypto staking platform that could revolutionize the Web3 experience of users, developers, and even crypto stakers.